Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to General, then Keyboard. Once there, you'll see switches for autocorrection, check spelling, and predictive text. Toggle autocorrection off to stop automatic replacements. This prevents the phone from changing words as you type. Make sure you tap back after changing settings so they save. If you use multiple keyboards, repeat for each language. Otherwise, your changes may only apply to the active keyboard. Once autocorrection is off, check predictive and check spelling. Turn those off to reduce suggestions and red underlines that interfere with typing. Next, open text replacement to remove any shortcuts that auto-expand into unwanted words. Delete or edit entries that cause issues. If you use another language or third-party keyboard, select it from Keyboards and repeat these steps so behavior is consistent across apps. Make sure to exit settings to apply all toggles properly. Finish by typing a few sentences in notes or messages to verify autocorrect is disabled. If your phone still autocorrects, restart the device to ensure settings take effect. As a deeper fix, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset iPhone right arrow Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears learned replacements that persist. One troubleshooting tip: if a third-party keyboard keeps correcting, remove it from Keyboards and test the stock keyboard, then re-add only if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.